Marky Monday has a great show. Marky Monday, this is my show. It's called Marky Mondays. Marky Monday has a great show. It's Marky Monday, Marky Monday. Welcome to the show. Now here we go. Marky Monday. Marky Monday. Marky Monday. Hey, welcome to the Marky Monday Show. I'm really excited to have you here today because today is a special show. We have a 6-year-old girl who's going to be playing drums with Marky Monday. Ooh, her name is Madison Levine, and she's so awesome. You're going to see her on the show today. Also, we're talking about animals that eat plants and only plants. It's like the vegetarians of the animal world. And make sure you stick around all the way to the end of the show, because at the end of the show, I'm going to tell you how you can win a prize just for watching today. An awesome prize sent right to you. Are you ready to start the show? Here we go!
Marky plays drums!
Giant Banana. Hey, Marky Monday! How's it going today?
Oh, it's going really great and I'm really excited. I'm really excited for today because we're talking about animals that only eat plants and grass.
Animals that only eat plants and grass. What kind of animals would those be?
Well, Marky Monday, there's a name for this kind of animal, but these animals, they're like deers and elephants and horses and cows. They're all animals that eat different kinds of plants and grass. Do you know what the name of these kinds of animals are?
I'm not sure. What is it? What is it, Giant Banana?
Well, the name, Marky, they're called herbivores. Herbivores are animals that eat plants and grass and things.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, Giant Banana. It's time for the beat of the week. And this week, we're taking the word herbivore and putting it into this nice little rhythm so that we can remember that the word herbivore means animals that eat plants and grass. So it goes like this. Herbivores eat plants and grass. Okay. Herbivores eat plants and grass. Herbivores eat plants and grass. Do it with me. Herbivores eat plants and grass. One more time. Herbivores eat plants and grass. Aha! Let's do it to some music. Here's Margarita, Señorita, Bonita, Chiquita, Banana.
Okay, today we're doing a little nursery rhyme that will help us remember what herbivores eat. Oh, it's so nice. Are you ready? Here we go! Herbivores eat plants and grass. 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 Herbivores eat plants and grass.
Marky plays guitar!
Redonkulous. Redonkulous, the ridiculous dinosaur. Hey, Redonkulous.
Hey, Marky Monday! Today we are talking about herbivores, yes?
Yes, that's right, herbivores. Yes, plant eaters.
Okay, well, a plant eater that I know about is actually an iguana.
Iguana?
Yes, an iguana! And do you know what iguanas eat?
I'm not sure. What do they eat, Redonkulous?
Well, most iguanas, they eat fruits, flower buds, and leaves. Yes, that's right, leaves. Iguanas!
Marky plays piano.
Okay, it's time for a special part of the show. Marky Monday is joined by a guest today, and that guest is Madison Levine. She's 6 years old, and she's going to play the drums with Marky Monday. Ooh, it's going to be so cool. Okay, are you ready? Here we go! Okay, now we're ready. You ready? Yeah. Go! Well, we've come to the end of the broadcast today, and what better way to celebrate than by giving you a prize for watching? Yes, that's right. Marky Monday wants to give you a prize. So, the first 5 people to comment below on this channel, right here on this video, if you can answer today's question is, what types of food do herbivores eat? What types of food do herbivores eat? You write that in the comment below, and Marky Monday will send you an awesome prize to your email. Yes, that's right. It's a cool drawing. A cool drawing. You're going to love it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the Marky Monday channel. Also, make sure you tell all your friends. It's been a pleasure. And until next time, hasta Luigi!
Marky Monday has a great show. Marky Monday, this is my show. It's called Marky Mondays.